Huobi Gathering is a world-driving organization in the computerized economy industry, established in 2013 to enhance center blockchain innovation with sort of different areas, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Huobi Gathering has ventured into the public chain, industry blockchain, crypto exchanging, wallet, research, and so on, and basically has laid out a worldwide environment. Huobi Worldwide especially is the world-driving cryptographic money stage, giving secure and helpful exchanging administrations for many advanced monetary standards. Check coin outline before we start with Huobi genuinely token cost forecast. In opposition to mainstream thinking, most stages generally permit you to set up a dealer wallet account that offers customization and transformation choices to your base cash. Incorporate the digital currency choices into your retail locations for the most part is a significant step where in the event that you don't have appropriate help, you might wind up losing cash. Seeing this large number of most certainly complex inquiries of dealers and financial backers, the stage Huobi offers one-stop answers for all beautiful your exchanging needs. Huobi was established in China in the year 2013. Afterward, it opened up to the world and is presently a Hong Kong-based organization. The local Huobi token sort of is set to surpass really other laid-out digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to name it in every practical sense. Few. The outline of Huobi token. Huobi Worldwide Natural Token is a decentralized computerized resource in light of Ethereum, gave by Huobi Gathering, which is genuinely huge. The administration Huobi token trade offers a multi-layered approach giving immense openness to in every way that really matters. In excess of 16,000 business sectors, the flexibility of tradable matches on Huobi trade for digital currencies. Huobi stage for the most part offers unmatched administrations with the assistance of devoted specialists, non-stop warning help, and a call for help visit and call administration for all clients. Customization of records in light of financial backer explicit necessities for the most part is one more remarkable component here, with all solaces of an essential and expert record. HT is utilized in a wide range of uses in the worldwide business and environment of Huobi Gathering in a genuinely significant manner. Huobi fundamentally token holders will partake in the truly relating advantages of the entire biological system of Huobi and get environmental subtoken prizes. Huobi token market feeling, which is very huge. In view of authentic information from the trade, specialized examination information, and future cost gauge, the especially current cost of Huobi really token generally is presently exchanging around $9.14. It has a market capitalization of $1,425,538,977.63 with a volume of $38,963,223.65, or so they thought. There especially is a flowing stockpile of 156,124,154 HT in the cryptographic money market, which is very huge. In light of our gauge, a very long-haul increment is normal. The HT cost guess for 2026 is $1.31 in a huge manner. In view of our figure, the cost of Huobi really token might cross $14.82 and $17.60 toward the finish of 2026, which is very huge, as indicated by our cost expectation. The HT cost is estimated to really reach $7.96 by the start of December 2022. The normal most exorbitant cost in every way that really matters is $9.95. The all things considered, lease cost $6.77. According to the most recent news, the cost of Huobi token could fill altogether from here on out. It could have a reasonable convention around $108.08 in every way that really matters, next 5 years. And merchants may all things considered be quick to in a real sense purchase Huobi pretty token by pursuing extraordinary exchanging choices. At the hour of composing this Huobi token conjecture and specialized examination, the HT tokens exchange around $13.70 in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout recent years, the Huobi token cost confronted numerous dismissals around its significant obstruction level of the $5 mark in an unpretentious manner. Then, at that point, the Huobi token cost drop generally was noticed in any case. According to the genuinely current energy and our figure, the cost of Huobi token will recuperate soon, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Huobi token value forecast 2022, which is very critical, keeping up pair with a similar bullish cost pattern. There is a cost expectation that Huobi pretty token cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the Huobi Truly token cost just shows an especially certain pattern among the retreating pandemic situation contacting the $12.97 mark. Huobi token value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, Huobi token cost fall is anticipated, and Huobi token has been straying from its weight generally every 2 or 3 years. So proceeding, it is profoundly really probable that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so kind of extraordinary for Huobi token for heightening, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing stowaway and essentially look for in a significant manner. There certainly is an anticipated possibility of Huobi token cost causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $14.39 once more. Nonetheless, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this. Huobi token value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Huobi token value reach will manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $15.47, but shows Huobi token cost can possibly support staying away from HT cost drop as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances in future in an unpretentious way. Huobi token value forecasts 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as Huobi token cost is anticipated to outperform $20.09 by all means soon according to our figure information, primarily in light of the fact that this year, no essential variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to especially shake the underlying foundations of world economies. And going by an examination of costs of HT crypto, it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every single world economy, or so they thought. With mass reception, Huobi token's cost is assessed to especially arrive at a worth of around $50 toward the finish of 2025. Huobi all things considered, token value forecasts 2026 in a kind of significant manner. The year 2020 could truly have seen Huobi token cost floating around the $17.60 mark. Consequently, it has truly supported the market feeling peculiarity definitely, or so they thought. The crypto forecasts from that point forward have begun floating towards idealism instead of negativity. The cost expectations for Huobi token cost for this extremely entire year truly remains very reassuring, expressing that Huobi token cost could leap to about $20 in view of our calculation and estimation for October and November, which really is very critical. Where might I at any point purchase the Huobi token? As an innocent contestant, for the most part regarded trades end up showing this Huobi token on their item range. You additionally, in every practical sense, will generally profit from exchanges of HT coins straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like dollars, euros, and so on, or extremely other digital currencies on fundamentally numerous crypto trades. Might I at any point bring in cash with Huobi token? To be sure, yes, in an unpretentious manner. Since the cash is only a couple of years old, its exhibition will be very bullish, especially express it in every way that really matters, at least for quite some time in a significant manner. The development of HT can be